Today, friends, we are going to be talking about some of the vocabulary words that were from this article, Super Ants, that we started reading yesterday. So in this section over here, it talks about how ants can talk by smell. So it says, can you say hello? Ants can do that. They use a special liquid. It comes out of their bodies. This liquid has a smell. Other ants can smell it. They use their antennas to smell it. The smell means hello. So we're going to be talking about the words liquid and antennas. And those are bold and highlighted in this article. They are vocabulary words that we are going to learn about. Then you're going to answer some questions based off of what we learned. So let's click on the vocabulary. Liquid. A liquid is something wet that you can pour. A liquid has no shape of its own. It takes the shape of whatever container it is in. So in this picture, she is pouring an orange liquid into a glass, and it takes the shape of whatever the glass looks like. And here is the word antennas. An insect's antennas are feelers. Insects taste food and smell things with their antennas. So today, for your assignment, you guys are going to be answering questions about the word antennas and liquid. You're going to use what you know about those words to answer some questions.